Hi guys, and welcome to the beginner Megaminx tutorial section. The Megaminx is a 12-sided puzzle that is an official WCA event, meaning it's held at competitions. And as you'll find out in these tutorials, it behaves fairly similarly to a 3x3 cube, except with some additional faces and some more complications for the last layer. The prerequisite before watching these tutorials to solve the Megaminx is that you must know and be very comfortable with intuitive F2L on the 3x3 cube, because we'll be using a lot of these sorts of processes and techniques to solve pieces around our Megaminx, and that means we won't need to learn any new algorithms until we get to solving the last layer. So in this module, I'll be teaching you to solve the Megaminx mostly intuitively using a basic procedure, but one which is definitely feasible for speed solving. In the next video, I'll explain a bit more about the structure of the puzzle, some Megaminx notation, and an overview of the solving method that we're going to use.